Are you ready to play a more active role in tikanga practices within your whānau, workplace or community? Keen to expand your understanding of Māori protocols and cultural practices? Traditional knowledge helps us navigate our forever changing world. In Tikanga Māori, our customs and practices will provide a basis to start learning the legacy of our ancestors. Our Kunenga or Te Ao Tikanga program will help you reflect on and evaluate your practices of tikanga and strengthen your mana as a leader. Our program has been designed to help you identify your strengths and your appreciation for the relationships between others and the world around you, as well as learning basic Te Reo Māori structures and how they merge with tikanga practices. You'll be able to apply what you learn into your everyday life and give you the confidence to contribute within your whānau, hapū and iwi and the communities you live in. In this fees-free 40-week program, you'll be provided with material to study independently, as well as in a collaborative learning environment through 8 noho marae. You will need to have access to an internet-connected digital device to fully participate in this program. We're here to support your goals and success. Te Wānanga o Aotearoa offers a range of free services including student support, program support, online tools and access to our world-class facilities around the country. So come and see us at one of our 80 sites around Aotearoa. Or for more information, see our program details online at twoa.ac.nz. See you soon, e hoa ma.